Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Wednesday, the 21st of November 2007. I've just triggered a short entry, actually a little bit late, but anyway, I'll get down to that in a minute. I've just triggered a short entry on the Canadian dollar against the JPY. It's based on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. Well, we've been basically making a flat bottom triangle with a clear triple top. Actually, we have three different swings bottoming out at that level, the 111.20, in a clear downtrend, making lower highs. Right? Actually, we've been making lower highs all the way down here. Now if we zoom into the trigger chart, meaning the 1-hour time frame in this case, well, we can see that this level that I was looking to break, the 111.20, gave way as the about 1 hour before the London market opened. Then we've had the retrace signified by that green bar, this one that I'm marking right now in my screen, and well, from there we've had the continuation below the 111.20, the 111.00 level. That's what triggered my short entry. In fact, I've entered this trade about 10 pips late. Because I was sending the guys on my mailing list well, today's email, and by the time I sent the email and I switched back into my charts, this thing had triggered. So I took an entry about, like I said, 8 pips late, something like that. Entry should have been up here, but it was a little bit down here at 110. 86 price, but anyway, these things happen. So basically, like I say, I'm trading a typical flat bottom triangle, okay, with a very clear level of support to keep an eye on, and then having seen the breakout pullback continuation, I decided to enter short in this market. Okay, all right, folks, I'll be keeping you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, Hector again. Just a quick update to let you know that I've moved to stop to break even on the Canadian dollar against the JPY. It's definitely showing some nice profits, about 100 pips in profit right now. I'm moving to stop to break even, like I say, from here down to entry levels, in order to take another trade that it's about to trigger on another Canadian dollar cross. In this case, it's the Canadian dollar against the CHF. Okay, I think it's gonna trigger soon, so I'm moving to stop to break even on this one. So I mean on the Canadian dollar against the JPY, so I can take the other trade, the Canadian dollar against the CHF, because as you guys know, one of my golden rules is to not overexpose yourself twice or 3 times or multiple times against the same currency on different trades. Alright guys, that's all. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. It's the next morning over. It's to the 22nd of November 2007, 8 AM London time, and well, as I fired off my charts today, I see that I've been stopped out at break-even on this trade that I had open on the CAD against the JPY. If you remember, I took my entry there. It moved right away in my direction for about 150 pips, 145 pips actually. But then in the overnight session, as I was sleeping, it retraced back to well, entry levels where I had my stop loss at break-even, and therefore I've been stopped out, like I say, at +0 on this trade. This setup still looks good, okay. Still looks definitely in a downtrend, okay. Actually, let me zoom into the 1-hour time frame for a clearer view. There we are. All right. This is the retracement that got me out of this trade at break-even, okay. In the overnight session, like I say, I had my stop loss level right there, but it's founding resistance at the previous double top. Actually, it's a triple top. If I scroll back in my screen, you can see that triple bottom right there, okay. 1, 2 and 3. I'm talking about the 111.25, 111.30 level. Okay, clearly working as support before, now working as resistance. We also have a nice downtrend line marked in blue in my screen. Okay, this is the trend line I'm talking about. So like I said, we have a few elements of resistance working in few elements working as resistance, both current market price. So if we get a break out of this retracement trend line that, like I say, it's been formed throughout the overnight Tokyo session, perhaps we might still get I might still get another entry opportunity if it breaks to the downside. Okay, nonetheless, for the time being, it's time to finish this video at +0. Like I say, the whole setup still looks good, but if I am to take another entry, that will be another different trade and therefore another different video. Alright folks, that's all. Bye bye.